installation. Now go to Ngrok website. After clicking on Get Started for free, it may ask you for sign up if you are using it first time. Otherwise, it's no. Now click on Download for Linux ARM. I already downloaded it. After downloading, go to File Manager. Now click on All Files and then Files. Now search for Download folder. Open it. Now search for Ngrok stable Linux ARM.zip file. Click on Start Extract. Now check whether the unzip file is present or not. Yeah, it's there. Come back. Open Termux. Now type pkg update. Now type termux -setup -storage. Now cd storage and then type again ls. Our downloaded file is in download folder, so type cd download. Now again type ls. Now type cd space ngrok -stable -linux -arm. Now again type ls and then now type cp space ngrok space /$ capital H capital O capital M capital E. Now type cd space -. Again type ls. all permission to Ngrok, type chmod +x Ngrok. Now again type ls. Now you can see the color of Ngrok is changed if you are downloading it for first time. Now again go to the website where you downloaded Ngrok. Copy the second link and paste it in Termux. Remember, copy link from after the dollar symbol. Don't copy dollar symbol also. After pasting the link, click enter. I have already done this part, so I am skipping this step. After entering, you will see success message. Now enable your hotspot, it's very important step. After that, type /ngrok space http space 80